And when you can make ends meet and pay your bills and have a little extra to take care of your children, that makes you feel good. Just to see the happiness in their face and to hear my daughter say, "I'm proud of you, Mom, because you've come a long way." 3 years ago, I didn't know what I was going to do or how I was going to live or support my children. And then I came into this program and I learned all these things about myself. They gave me the courage to say, okay, I can go back to school and I can do this. And I didn't have that before. I was lost. I could say I truly was lost. I took a lot of that I learned and I took it out there into the world. It's fabulous. I can do what I really, really love, and that's being a chef. And I'm not gonna stop. My daughter is going off to college now, and I'm in college, so without courage, I don't think I could have done that. I really don't. Every day I get up and say, wow, this is a new life. I wouldn't have made it without we. Exactly.